Okay, we're going to use this setup with a network and a switch to demonstrate the effects of port security. So basically what we have here is we have a network, and I've labeled the IP addresses that all these PCs currently have on this network, switch network. And so I can go to this host 50 here and open up a command prompt, and I can ping host 53. So right now I'm pinging from host 50 to host 53 right here, right? And then I can do the same thing from 53. I'll take this, open a command prompt using packet tracer, and this time I'm going to ping 50, right? So you can see there, you see the replies that are happening. So that tells us that this PC can ping this PC, and this PC in return can ping back. And so these echo requests and echo replies are going across the switch. Now let's take a quick look at this switch. With the switch, we'll take a quick look at it. Password Cisco, enable command, password Cisco, and we'll do a show run for show running configuration. And we'll see that on interface fast Ethernet 10, 0/10, we've put switch port mode access, switch port dash security, switch port dash security MAC address sticky. And you can see here that switch port dash security MAC address sticky, you can see that it actually picked up a MAC address, right? And this MAC address belongs to this PC right here, right? So it has port security, and it has in its running configuration this MAC address is recorded. So basically what that means is if we take this link off here and we move it to a different PC, switching from this PC to this PC, which would change MAC addresses, the MAC address from this PC to the MAC address from this PC, we should have port security take effect and have an inability to communicate across the network. So the switch should lock down the port, shut down the port, and inability to communicate. So this PC right here, his IP address is 104. Let's see if he can ping PC 50. So we'll go here, command prompt, have him ping 1.50, and he's trying to ping the other PC, and we're getting a timeout here. So he's trying to ping, and you can see here the ports have gone red, and the switch is not allowing the communication to take place. It has shut down the port, right? The port is shut down. Ping is not working. Okay, so if we hover over the switch now, you can see the pop-up. You'll see that port 0/10 is down. So that port is in fact down now. So if we wanted to bring that port back up, what we need to do is go into the switch, and we would have to go into global config mode, conf t, which is short for configure terminal, and go into interface short int fa 0/10. Now we're in interface configuration mode, and we could now shut down the port, right? And then we could change it to no shutdown, effectively bringing the port back up. And you can see now the port comes back up. And let's check to see also the configuration and see if the configuration is maintained. I'm going to see if the configuration is maintained here. Show running configuration. And you can see here that it's still, the switch still has in the running config the MAC address of the other PC. So this PC, we still won't be able to communicate. If we start trying to talk here, we'll not be able to communicate. But if we take it and put it back on the computer with the correct MAC address, the communication will be able to take place. So we're going to do the same configuration over on this network. We don't have the configuration set up. We're going to do it over here. What we did over here, we'll implement over here.